So once we have peeled our boiled eggs, we will slice it up like this and put some peppers and salt over it. And yeah, something else I like having in the morning is some boiled corn. And you can have it cold, you can have it warm. That's up to you. Just add a bit of salt for more flavor. And yeah, I like having for breakfast is some cashews. You can add however much you want to have. For me, that's usually enough. And yeah, just give it a quick rinse. And I like taking out the thing in the middle and then eating it just like that. So I hope you guys all got some ideas on how to make a simple and easy breakfast under 10 minutes. All you need to do is take some corn. I took some frozen corn, boiled it, and yeah, that's up to you how long you want to boil it. It doesn't really matter. It's pretty much cooked anyways. And then I just drained it. And then I took some dates. I just bought it out of the store. To go to your local favorite grocery store and you could get it anywhere, basically. And then some boiled eggs, cracked it open, sliced it up as you can see, put some salt and pepper, and then some cashews. I usually like raw unsalted, and then some tea, which I'll be making a video on how to make a different